Hey guys, today we're going to talk about stem and leaf plots. So, a stem and leaf plot uses the digits of data values to organize a data set. So each data value is broken down into a stem, which is a digit or digits on the left, and a leaf, which is digit or digits on the right. And a stem and leaf plot shows how data is distributed. So here's an example of a stem and leaf plot. So I've got this data right here, 20, 20, 21, 22, 25, 27, 31, 34, 38, 42, 58, and 59. So what I do is I create a stem, okay? I take the tens digit, 2, 3, 4, and 5, that's all that I've got right here. And then I take the ones digits, in this case 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 5, and 7, go here. And then in the 30s, I've got 1, 4, and 8. 1, 4, and 8. In the 40s, I just have 2. And the 50s, I have 8 and 9. So now, if this 42 hadn't been here, I still need to have my 4 here. A lot of people will go, oh, 2, 3, and 5. But you got to have the 4 there, and then you just leave that blank. Okay? Now, if you do a good job with this, you'll line these up nice and even so that these are all even, these are all even, these are all even. Because what you can do when you come back at the end, some people like to turn these into bar graphs. So you can kind of do this, and do this, and do this, and do this. And should be all proportional and everything. They don't have to do that. But there's your stem and leaf plot right there. Okay? So, let's make a stem and leaf plot for the length of these 12 cell phone calls. So I've got the dates here, and I've got the length of the time. So the first thing I'm going to do is go through my stem, and I'm going to see what do I have for tens digits. Well, these have nothing. So those are zeros. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 0 here. Whoops. Go ahead and put a 0 here. Then I've got tens, so I'm going to have 1. I've got some 20s, 2, 30s, 3. Have any 40s? No. But I still have to put it there because I got a 50 here. Okay, so there's my stem. Now I'm going to go through, well, I got a 55, so I'm going to put a 5 right here. I've got a 0, 3, so I'm going to put a 3 right there. I've got a 6, that's going to go here. I've got a 14. I've got an 18. I've got a 5. Now, really, well, I can just put the 5 right here. Sometimes people like to have the numbers in order here. 23 would go here. 30, put a 0 there. 23. Okay, 10. So I'm going to have a 0. 0, 2. And a 36. Okay, now most of this is okay. I'd kind of like to take the 2 and move it to the front. So it would go 2, 3, 5, 6. So 2, 3, 5, 6. I'd like to have my 0 in the front here. So 0, 4, 8. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. So there's my stem and leaf plot for this data. Okay. So here's an example. A stem and leaf plot shows the student scores. How many students scored less than 80 points? Okay, so I've got 60s, I've got 70s, here's my 80s. So less than 80 points, there would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there would be 5 that scored less than 80 points. How many scored at least 90 points? Well, that would be 90, 92, 99, and 100. So there's 4 that scored at least 90 points. How are the data distributed? Well, they're distributed pretty symmetrically, actually. Most of them are in the 80s. So, you got 3 here and 4 here. You've one here and one here. This is pretty symmetric. So I would say symmetrically. How many students received a B on the test if I have this scale right here? So the B's are 80 to 89. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There would be 9 B's. So I can answer all those questions from my stem and leaf plot. Excuse me. Which statement is not true? Most of the plants. So this is heights of plants right here. By the way, this is a key. Okay, so 1/5 means 15 inches. Okay, so these are the heights of inches. This would be 1 inch, 2 inch, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. That'd be 10 inches, 11 inches, 22, and 36 would be the tallest one. So which statement is not true? Most of the plants are less than 20 inches tall. So that's definitely true because most of these are. So that one's out. The median plant height is 11 inches. Well, that would be the middle one. So how many plants do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 5 would be 12, 14, 15. Okay, so the middle one would be the eighth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's your median is 10 inches. So this is out. The range of the plant heights is 35 inches. Okay, so that'd be, you take the biggest one, the range is going to be 36 minus the smallest one, which is 1 inch. So that's 35. Well, that one's true. Let's just check D to make sure. The plant height that occurs the most often is 11 inches. Oh, wait. We're looking for the one that's not true. All right. Let's go back and look at this again. So the range of the plants is 35 inches. That was true, so that one's out. Okay. The median plant height was 10, we said. That one is the false one. And then the plant height that occurs most often is 11. Yeah, there's 2 of those. That's also not true right there. So B would be the answer. You're told that 3 plants are taller than 20 inches. Is that statement true? Well, 1, 2, 3. Yep, that's true. There's 3. Okay. So you get to do 1 through 21 odd. I will see you guys in class next time. Have a great day.